Nice. Ice cream. So soft. Let's try this one. I like this one better. I was not expecting it to be that soft. This is my third time trying this recipe. I wasn't sure. And now we have ice cream. We are dish number 5. 5 done. Please subscribe. Follow the journey. A little bit too dry here. And we can fix it. Rice flour, always the rice flour. Until further notice. You might already know, but as soon as you remove the dough, immediately soak it in water. Otherwise you will have a hard time washing it. I'm not going to do the boiling yet, that's just temporary for now. I will try different techniques today to help soften the bun and the stuffing as much as possible. Other than the dough, we will be using some sugar, brown sugar or white sugar if you don't have brown sugar. Pure cacao powder, feel free to use chocolate if you want to. Butter, for each one of these bad boys, it's 100 grams each. I will use 10 grams of butter for boiling. And then we would need extra for making the stuffing. Honey, for the stuffing I'm gonna do two different things. Frozen berries. Milk, ideally it's better for the stuffing to use whipped cream instead of milk, but I'm gonna try to reduce the water quantity of this milk, so I'm gonna be heating it a little bit while waiting for the butter to melt a little bit. I'm gonna put this on the stove to evaporate some of that water. Almost forgot. Egg wash, so I'm gonna use 1 egg together with 2 tablespoons of milk, the same milk I have. This one I'm gonna stretch it a little bit.
My baby crying, said she can't live that way.
Now we let them rest room temperature for an hour and a half until they double in size. Just an update on the milk. It's dry enough. Just remove some of the water, basically, not everything. It's been an hour and a half. They are ready. Preheat the oven as always. Baking is gonna be 2 to 5 Celsius, 440 Fahrenheit. Unlike burger bun, we're not making burger. We will for another video. Egg wash, I'm gonna put plenty, not just on top. Put as much on the side as well to trap some of the moist inside so it doesn't evaporate and it stays soft, preventing it from turning rock solid once inside the freezer. Middle part. See you in 25 minutes. That's another trick I will try to do. I'll try to trap the steam as soon as I get out. Look at that. I will put them inside this container and let them cool down inside. Everything I am doing right now is just to make sure they don't turn into rock solid when they are frozen. That's the whole point. Milk, cacao powder, the pure cacao, butter, 1 tablespoon, and honey. You might need to add more than you think you need, because ice cream is supposed to be too sweet. When it's cold and frozen, taste buds will be numb in our mouth and we wouldn't feel the sweetness that much. If you have one of these, go ahead and use it. It's sealed, probably, because you need one of these inside the freezer. Otherwise, it's just gonna dry. If you don't, you can use aluminum foil or plastic wrap. Just make sure to cover the bun before you put it in the freezer. All the way to the top and in the freezer until tomorrow. This is day 2. It's out of the fridge for almost 15-20 minutes. Let them chill a little bit. I don't think I have to, but I am going to heat the knife before cutting just in case the stuffing is hard. I don't think it is going to be hard. wife is not here, I will wait for her to come and try. I'm sure she's gonna love it. This is the third time I tried to make this one. I tried over the weekend because I wasn't sure. The first time it was rock solid, it didn't work. So here's the 3-4 tricks I did to make it work. First one, applying the butter before boiling, fold it and then let it rise with the butter inside. That's gonna make the inside soft, doesn't get very dry or hard when it's in the freezer. And the second was evaporating some of the water in the milk and adding butter to the stuffing in the blender during the mixing. That's the third one. And as soon as they go out of the oven, we trap them in a plastic bag or a sealed container to trap the steam going out and just diffuse that steam back into the bun. If you came across this video, you wish to try, please let me know if it works for you as well. If you think there's a better way to make it, please let us know. Please subscribe, follow the journey, and let us know in the comments section if there is something specific you wish to bake with this dough. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.